Okay, hi everyone. Let's discuss the questions that I gave you last Friday. Okay, please check your homework. Let's look at question 8a. Okay, Aisha used 2, 1 and 4 meters of red ribbon and 85 cm of blue ribbon. Find the length in meter of the blue ribbon. So you just have to convert 85 cm to meter. So cm to meter, you divide 100 because cm is a smaller unit. So you divide 100, 2 zeros, you move 2 times to the left. 1, 2, put a dot, add a 0, so equals 0.85 meters. Find the total length in meters of the 2 ribbons. So total length you have to plus. So the red is 2, 1 and 4 meter and the blue is 0.85 meters. 2, 1 and 4 equals 2.25 meter because 1 over 4 is 1 inside divided by 4. Okay, you put decimal point 248 at decimal 0, 5420. Decimal point, don't forget. So 1 over 4 is the same as 0.25. Okay, so you plus the 2 in front, so it's 2.25 plus 0.85. Remember to write your meters. So total is 3.1 meters. Okay, question B. Based on the diagram on the right, the distance from the school to the bookshop is 4 times the distance from Adam's home to the school. So the distance from school to the bookshop, is 4 times the distance from Adam's home to the school, which is 1/2/5 km. And Adam cycles from his home to the bookshop, passing by the school. So Adam's home is here. He cycles from his home to the bookshop, passing by the school. So he goes to the school in this direction and then only goes to the bookshop. Okay, passing by the school. Then he returns home by the shortest route. Okay, this should be the shortest route. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, this should be the shortest route. So find the distance in meters from the school to the bookshop. Okay, which is this one. So we solve this one first. Okay, so it is 4 times. This is B, 8B part 1. 4 times 1/2/5 km. So this one you can change to decimal points. 2 divided by 5. The one on top is the one inside. 0 times 5, 0. At decimal point, 4 times 5, 20. So this is 4 times. There's a round number 1 and then decimal point is 4. So 4 times 1.4 should be 4, 4, 16, 414 plus 1, 5.6. Okay, so 5.6 km from the school to the bookshop. Okay, let's write here 5.6 km. Okay, part 2. Find the total distance in km taken by Adam. So let's look at Adam's route again. Over here, he cycles from his home to the bookshop, passing the school. So we need to pass the school. We go to the school first, then only to the bookshop. So let's write down first. So from his house to the school is 1.4 km. Okay, this is part 2. And then to the school is 5.6. That's what we calculated just now. And then he returned home by the shortest route. The shortest route is 5.09. Okay, so that is the total distance from the home to the school, and then from school to the bookshop, and then from bookshop back to his home. So you just add this 3 here. Okay, this is 9. 6 plus 4, 10. So total is 12.09 kilometers. Let's continue. Question C. Encik Sulaiman donated 2 boxes that contain 96 bottles of mineral water to flood victims. Total volume is 24 liters. What is the volume for 1 bottle? State the answer in fraction. So all these are important information you need to highlight so that you don't miss out. Okay. So altogether, 2 boxes that contain 96 bottles of mineral water. So 96 bottles of water equals 24 liters. Okay, let me just make sure that 2 boxes contain 96 bottles all together, yeah? So total is 96 bottles and total volume is 24 liters. So 96 bottles of water, total volume 24 liters. What is the volume of 1 bottle? So you take 24 divide 96, and since the answer should be in fraction, you straight away put it in fraction. 24 over 96. Okay, because it's the same here. 24 divided by 96 is the same as 24 over 96. Because the question asking of fraction, so we straight away put it in fraction, and then we simplify it. What number can we simplify? This one we can divide 8 equals 3. Divide 8 is 12. And then this one we can divide 3 is 1. Divide 3 is 4. So the final answer should be 1 over 4 liter. So each mineral water is 1.4 liter. Question D. 3 types of cake sold in a shop: chocolate, strawberry, carrot. What is the mass in kg for 1 strawberry cake? So strawberry cake is 50 gram more than carrot cake. So you take carrot cake 1.2 kg, 50 gram more. So you need to plus. Okay, answer should be in kg. So your gram, you change to kg first. 50 gram, you divide 1000 gram. Okay, because gram to kg, you have to divide 1000. So move decimal point 3 times to the left, because 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, dot, add a 0 in front. So it should be 1.2 plus 0.05 kg. 1.2, 0.05 kg, don't forget. Nothing plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, decimal point, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the final answer is 1.25 kg. Question 2. The shopkeeper sold 6 kg of cake in one afternoon. State the number and types of cakes that might have been sold by him. So we have to do trial and error. Which types of cake will add up to be 6 kilo in total? Okay. So chocolate cake is 1.5 because 1 over 2 is 0.5. Strawberry, just now we calculated 1.25, and carrot is 1.2. So we need to find out the number and the types of cake that might have been sold by him. So we can do trial and error here. Okay, we need to add up so the total becomes 6. Okay, let me see. Strawberry, if you times 2, you get 2.5. Chocolate, if you times 2, you get 3. So the balance is 500 grams. Still not enough. So what can we do here? Okay, so one possible answer will be 4 types of chocolate cake. So 4 types of chocolate cake, then it will come to 6 kg. Or 5 types of carrot cake, 5 times 1.2, then it will also come to 6 kg. Okay, so there are 2 possible answers here. Last question, let's look at E. Okay, Jackie said I used 125 mm of wire to form a regular pentagon. 125 mm, you change to cm, you have to divide 10. Because mm is smaller, divide 10, you get 12.5 cm. To form a pentagon, so a pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, 5 sides, 5 equal sides. Okay, around. Okay, 5 equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So find the length of sides in cm for pentagon. So 12.5 cm, you divide 5 because there are 5 sides. Okay, you divide 5. Decimal point cm. So one side is 2.5 cm. Okay, for pentagon. Now Farah said she used 0.5 cm less. So we take 12.5 cm, the pentagon, minus 0.5 cm, so we get 12 cm to form a square. Now we know that square has 4 sides and they are all equal. So you divide 4, 12 cm divide 4, so each side is 3 cm. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so that's all for today. Alright, I'll see you next week when you return to school. Bye.